Hi, I'm Susan. How are you today? Today I'm taking my favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe and I'm taking my decorator's icing recipe and I'm going to combine the two and make something that is one of my youngest son Caleb's favorite cookies, and that's to have the icing sandwiched between two of the cookies, and it's in his top 5. So I hope you'll enjoy this recipe and I hope you'll enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get started. For my chocolate chip cookies, I'll need 1 1/4 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, 3/4 cup of butter Crisco, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 large egg, 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 cup each of mini chocolate chips and semi-sweet chocolate chips. I have my oven preheating at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And now I want to cream my brown sugar, my butter Crisco, my milk, and my vanilla flavoring until it's light and fluffy. I want to add in my egg and beat well. Now I want to stir together my flour, my salt, and my baking soda, and then add it all into my sugar mixture. Mix this until just combined. Now I want to stir in my chocolate chips. And I'm just using a cookie scoop to scoop my cookies out on my pan. I get 12 on this half sheet pan. And you want to cook them for about 8 to 10 minutes. I cooked mine for 8 minutes for the soft, chewy cookies, which is perfect for the sandwiches, cookie sandwiches, because you don't want your icing squirting out. But if you like a crispy cookie, you can cook them for like 12 to 14 minutes. Once they're done, let them cool. I let mine cool 2 minutes on the pan, and then I take them and move them to the rack. For the decorator's icing, I need 1 pound of confectioner's sugar that's been sifted, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of Crisco, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of water is if you're decorating a cake. If you're just icing the cake, you want 1/3 cup of water. It calls for 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon. It calls for butter flavoring, but I find 1/4 teaspoon of almond flavoring is really good. And you'll need 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and that's optional. You want to mix all of your ingredients and you want to beat it for about 4 minutes. For Valentine's Day, I decided to add in a couple of drops of red food coloring to make pink. Once my icing is ready, I get a sandwich bag, or you can get any kind of Ziploc bag, and I just spoon some inside the bag and use that to pipe. And here they are. I really think they turned out pretty. Now to give one of these a try. Good as always. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you get me notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I hope y'all have a great and wonderful day, and I hope your Valentine's Day is great. So until next time, bye y'all.